How do you feel this morning?
I feel very tired.
Do you have a headache?
Yes, my head hurts a lot.
Here, drink some water.
Thank you. My stomach hurts too.
Maybe you need more rest today.
I have a lot of work today.
Work can wait. You are sick.
I don't like doctors.
I know, but we need to check.
Okay, you are right.
Let's check your temperature first. It says 38 degrees.
That's high. I have a fever.
Yes, we should call the doctor. What did you eat yesterday?
I ate fish at the market.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, I didn't sleep well at all.
I call the doctor's office now. They have an appointment at 10. Here, put on this shirt.
Thank you. I feel dizzy.
I have the keys and my bag.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Hold my arm. I help you.
Thank you for helping me today.
We arrive at the doctor's office.
I hope it's not serious.
We check in at the desk. The doctor is ready soon.
This chair feels uncomfortable.
I know. It's almost your turn. David Miller. They call your name now.
Okay, let's go inside. Good morning, doctor.
He doesn't feel well today.
I have a headache and fever. My stomach hurts too.
Please open your mouth wide. Okay, your throat looks a little red. Did you eat anything unusual yesterday?
Yes, I ate fish at the market.
You have a small stomach infection. It's not serious, don't worry.
You need rest and this medicine. Take 1 pill after each meal.
When do I feel better, doctor?
In 2 or 3 days, I think.
Drink water and rest at home.
We will. Thank you so much. That wasn't so bad, right?
No, I feel a little better already.
I need to send a package.
Okay, I sit and wait for you.
There's a short line today.
That's good. I'm still tired. This package weighs 2 kilos.
Okay, how much does it cost?
Here's your receipt and stamp.
Thank you very much. I also pay this bill today. It's for the electricity.
I feel a little hungry now. Maybe I need a small snack.
Do you want water too?
Yes, please. That would help.
Here's your water. All done.
Thank you. I feel better already.
This snack tastes really good.
I'm glad you're hungry again. The sun comes out now.
It's a beautiful day.
Let's walk to the park nearby.
Yes, some fresh air sounds nice.
You walk better than this morning.
Yes, the medicine really helps.
This park looks so nice today.
Yes, the air feels fresh.
There's a bench under that tree.
Perfect. Perfect. Let's sit there. I feel so relaxed right now.
That's good. You needed this.
I feel much better now, really.
I'm so glad, David. Those children play so happily.
It reminds me of our childhood.
Remember, take your medicine tonight.
I remember. After dinner, right? Thank you for helping me today.
Of course. I always help you. You were a difficult patient today.
I know. Sorry about that.
What do we do this evening?
Maybe just rest at home.
Let's walk a little more first.
Okay, but not too fast. This pond looks so peaceful.
Yes, it's very calm here. What do we do tomorrow?
Maybe I go back to work.
Let's go home now. It's late.
Yes, I'm ready to go home. Thank you for a wonderful day.
I'm happy you feel better, David.